One of the latest beauty trends isn't about a look at all, it's about a feel. Jelly products are making a big splash right now, offering a new formula for both makeup and skincare. Beauty Snoop Megan Moore has been trying it out and trying it on. I'm kind of suppressing a giggle. I don't know why. Jelly.
It's just kind of a funny word to say, right?
Jelly. It's like squishy is trendy, like jelly products.
I will say this was one of the funnest research assignments I've ever had to do. There's just something fun about the jelly formulation. It really is unique and exciting. It's kind of something different we haven't seen.
In fact, Megan's calling it a jelly summer.
It's a jelly summer.
But you say, in all seriousness, really quickly, we won't get too heavy on this, but more than just a gimmick.
Yeah, it actually is more than a gimmick because it is a delivery system that's different than other delivery systems. So you think about it like flash moisture, meaning it's really thin. It's not going to sit on the skin for a long time. It's going to deliver the moisture quickly, and then it's going to sink into the skin or even dissipate away. So it's like a different kind of delivery system than we're seeing in other, serums and moisturizers that are heavier.
Let's hear about this research, sister. Fun finds that you've loved.
Okay, this is the Sol de Janeiro perfume, but in a stick form. So we know these perfumes, they've gone totally viral in the last few years, but they've put them into a jelly formula. And I will say, I want all perfume to come this way.
This is genius.
It's genius because you can control exactly where it goes. And you're not spraying it and then having half of it go off your wrist in either direction.
And I think of my mom's Avon rollers back in the day. They were still like perfumey liquid.
Yes, but you can control it. I just love it. It still gives you that really great hit of the perfume, but I love that you're not spraying it and having it wasted anywhere.
For a gym bag, for a dance bag, for just a hot, sweaty day, nice.
Okay, this is an eye priming balm, again, in the jelly formula. So it actually, and I wanted to point out, anytime you see these extra lids in there, keep them. That's an indication that this formula can dry out. So don't throw that away. But here's a jelly, it's by Essence, so super affordable. It's gonna go on under the eyes, it's going to smooth, it's gonna give that flash hydration, but it's not heavy like our traditional moisturizer, so it doesn't interfere with your concealer under your eyes. I love it.
That would just feel good. You've used these a lot in your online
these are like the originals that started this formulation. It's the Milk Makeup Cheek Balms. They are just gorgeous, a hit of color, but you can still see your skin through them. They're cooling and again have that kind of jello-y shake to them, which I really love. I have the orange one on today. You cannot go wrong with these.
And I think you recommended these for my 11-year-old when she was just trying a little bit of makeup.
Because it's not too much.
What's this?
Okay, this is by a brand called Fui, which is a Korean brand, and these are a lip jelly, and they are so fun to use. It really feels like you're putting your finger into Jello, which is really unique, and then it gives you that hit of color. It's a little bit staining, kind of like if you were to actually use Jello on your lips. It would stain, but it would be clear, and then it's, again, super comfortable, fun to use.
And that's not a misspelling. Fui.
Fui.
Okay, 30 seconds. What do we got?
All right, this is a tanning product, so a self-tanner that's in the jelly form. I love it because it is so quick to absorb into the skin. Doesn't make you feel sticky. You know how some feel kind of sticky on your skin? Super easy to use. I'm obsessed with this. And it smells good. It's a miracle.
We have a before and after. You liked how it performed, too.
Yes, it performed really well. I used the medium one on mine, so it gives me a nice little glow there. They also have a darker formulation if you like that, but it's super easy to put on and use because of that flash moisture.
Okay, and 10 seconds here.
Last one, this is a peptide product. Peptides are plumpers, so this one is by Mario Badescu, and it is a true jelly formula.
That's a shaker.
It's a shaker, but it's gonna give you a flash of moisture without being heavy or greasy, so if you feel like summertime is too heavy for you and your moisturizers, switch to that jelly formula.
Listen, she's a good girlfriend for lots of reasons, but number one, she doesn't keep and tell. She shares. So Beauty Snoop on Instagram is where you find her for all sorts of products and beauty advice just like this. Give her a follow at Beauty Snoop. We love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.